In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes directly on Hubspot CRM using the QR Tiger app. This integration simplifies your workflow and makes it easy to generate and manage QR codes without leaving your Hubspot dashboard. Let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step. To start, head over to the Hubspot homepage. This is the central hub where all the magic begins. Once there, you'll want to locate the Login button, which is typically at the top right corner. Click on it to enter your credentials and access your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to create an account by following the straightforward registration process. After logging in, you'll be redirected to the HubSpot home. This is your main workspace where you can manage your business tools and integrations. Now that you're in, look around for the marketplace icon. It usually resembles a small storefront and can be found in the main menu. Clicking on this icon will take you to HubSpot's marketplace, the place where various apps and integrations are available for adding to your HubSpot account. Once in the marketplace, the next step is to look for the apps section. This is where you'll find all the available applications that can be integrated into HubSpot to enhance your business operations. Once there, use the search bar to type in QR Tiger. This keyword should bring up the app we're focusing on today, the QR Tiger QR Code Generator. When you see QR Tiger QR Code Generator in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the app's dedicated page in the marketplace, where you can find more detailed information about its features and benefits. If this app fits your needs, the next step is to install it. You'll notice there is an Install App button on the page. Click this button to begin the installation process. At this stage, HubSpot might prompt you to upgrade your plan. Yes, you heard right. In order to install the QR Tiger app, you may need to move up to a higher tier plan if you aren't already on one. Make sure to review the upgrade options available and choose the one that best suits your business needs. Once your plan is upgraded and the app is installed, you're all set to start creating QR codes directly from your HubSpot environment with ease. The integration allows you to maintain a streamlined workflow, all from one central location, saving you both time and effort. And there you have it. With QR Tiger now integrated into your HubSpot CRM, you can enhance your marketing strategies and track engagement in a whole new and efficient way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips and tutorials.